Today we're making lemon pound cake popcorn. Today we're making lemon pound cake popcorn. This is a dry mix by Gold Medal. This is not something that we're going to put into the kettle and cook with it on. We're actually gonna pop our popcorn with butter coconut oil, and then we are going to add this lemon pound cake to it afterwards. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil. 3 cups of corn. All right, we got our popcorn kernels and our butter coconut oil heating up. It smells really good. You can smell that butter. Down in the description are links to all of the products we're using here today. If you're interested in getting a copy of the Popcorn Genius recipe book, where we have a bunch of different recipes for all the different flavors of popcorn we make, check out the link down in the description. All right, the kernels are starting to pop. We got our nice hot popcorn here. Move it around, get all those unpopped kernels out of there using our mini sifter. All right, now we're gonna get these kernels right into this food safe bag we have here. All right, popcorn is still nice and hot. Now we're gonna put in some of this lemon pound cake shaker mix. Let me smell it. Oh yes, it smells just like lemon pound cake. That's awesome. All right, we're just gonna shake 2/3 of a cup all over our popcorn. Get this all bundled up, and we'll just start shaking it up. Oh, you can smell it. It smells like fresh baked lemon pound cake with that hot popcorn and that shaker on there. Smells so good. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, look at that. Look how good that looks. Those kernels popped up nice and big. You can really smell the lemon pound cake on this. Let's take a couple pieces, take a look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. You can tell it's really well coated too. Let's give it a try. Oh, it tastes just like lemon pound cake, exactly like lemon pound cake. It has like this citrus in it. The lemon is just so nice because the cake balances it, and it's like having like a piece of warm lemon pound cake like right out of the oven because it's still hot. Let's try a couple more pieces because I really like that. Oh yeah. We've never tried this flavor before, but it is really good. So remember, you can make flavors just like this, so get out there and get popping.